far as you can. Pick up the drag. You got it? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mark, go to the side. Just don't let it lean. Like this.
Oh, it's so wet.
Go over and lay it to your left.
Lay it down.
Yep. Don't let it hit Mama's kitchen though. We have to push it over. Can you go down?
Yeah. Okay. We're laying it all the way down.
Yep. Am I gonna make it, Casey?
Or pick it up, put it on the tower, and slide it up.
Yep.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Hey, Declan,
Yes?
I need you to come here. I know, okay, just go in there and get him. Ain't nobody else going in there.
There's one.
There's one. I wasn't gonna paint your doors, but I did anyway. Save you some trouble, you can put another coat on. You did see that little girl in there, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Push it in.
Yep, put it in.